It's my birthday. We're eating there at the Mandarin Garden buffet. And we're gonna do an unboxing of my birthday present, the GoPro Hero 9. First you gotta see this buffet, it's delicious. The owners, Troy and Kara, do a fabulous job. Come on inside, let's see what they've got going today besides the delicious mussels from New Zealand, which I love.
Come on, Troy.
Joy, you're going the wrong way.
I am? Yes.
You're making
Look
me
at
wrong.
this.
You're right, I am.
Look at this yummy
I'm
food.
illegal.
He's illegal.
And my favorite is right up here. Right here. Right here. Bingo. Mussels from New Zealand.
This is from Brussels.
Yummy. There's some shrimpers, James. What do you think? Am I going too fast? Can you see what I see? Look at this delicious food. I told you. I was shocked.
You got it right? I got it.
I'll get you something that's nice and close.
Good.
I'll get you right here, dear.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I like it too.
You got your weed mouse going today.
There we go in here. You're welcome.
Oh, nice.
Fabulous place.
Onion rings, Mama.
Joy, there's the mussels.
Where?
Right here.
Over there?
Right here. This is what I love. Right there.
Right. Oh, there. Oh, okay. What is that?
It's Sesame ball.
And on lap. Looking at all the
Oh,
beautiful
it's
food.
here.
Want me to carry it for you?
Filming it all.
No, I'm good. Today's my birthday. We're doing an unboxing of a GoPro Hero 9 present from my family. It's incredible. Here were the napkins from the first birthday meal. Aren't they cool? And then this card is fabulous. Listen, can you hear? 6 seconds. In the future, when we're monetized, we won't get demonetized if we keep the copywritten music under 6 seconds. So, one more time. Wishing you I have a very loving family. My brother, 2 sisters, and my mother are here together with me. Okay, now let's get down to business. This is it. This is the box that's going to change the face of YouTube. Well, not really, but it sounds good. I'm looking for number 218 subscriber. After 8 months, we're getting closer. We're opening it up. It's the GoPro 9 Hero. It's the latest GoPro. All the bells and whistles. But I have to learn how to use it. And I will, because my brother can help me. Let's see. Look at this nice case. Very cool, huh? With a zipper.
Mama's coming through.
Let's see, let's look inside.
That's still on there.
Wow. That is so cool. Look at this. I have to learn all about this. There it is. There's the little jewel. The crown jewel of the GoPro family. There we go. This does even 5K 30. Most of it now on YouTube is 4K. 5K is going to be incredible clarity of each of the videos with that deep, rich content you're longing for, aren't you? Now, we've got other things in here. I'm guessing this is a battery. So the good thing about GoPro is you can get extra batteries, pop them in and out, whereas the earlier models, it was built in. And you couldn't do that. What else is in here? This will be a selfie stick to load it on, maybe. I'm going to find out soon. And that's another kind of thing. Here's the thing. Yeah, this one is going to go in there, and then I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. Yeah, it's going to sit on there. Also, I think this has a little stand. Look at this.
It attaches.
This one
goes
attaches.
that goes in the one you just did.
Okay. Very cool. So we're unboxed with the Hero 9 GoPro, and we're looking forward now to having great fun producing whatever content we can, especially as the world opens up and we can start traveling all over to come make YouTubes with you. So thank you, family, for getting this very special gift. Thank you, family, for the very special day. And thank you, Mandarin Garden, the best Chinese food in BC.